Okay, today we're talking about Jell-O and Avengers Infinity War. So obviously big hit, probably the movie of a lifetime, 10 years in the making, amazing. Don't want to read any spoilers, but if you want to, my review has no spoilers, so you can find that on myvegasmommy.com. But today I wanted to talk about, so I had posted a couple days ago some Jell-O in the Avengers Infinity box or whatever that I found at Walmart. And I found 4 of them or whatever. And then 2 days ago I found the Groot and now the kit with the mold. So I'm assuming based on the characters that are in the front of the mold kit. So there's Iron Man, which here we have raspberry Jell-O. And then the Iron Spider, so obviously the cherry. And then, of course, the Hulk is in lime green. And then we have Groot, which now I found in orange. Makes sense. And Captain America, berry blue. How could you miss that? And so here we see Black Widow pictured. So I'm assuming that's the grape flavor. I haven't been able to find that yet. And I decided to make this video because I scoured the internet, Googled everything, and I haven't found any information on any of these packages, nor did Kraft have anything on their website. So I'm going to keep my eye out for Black Widow still, and you guys too. But I thought this mold kit was really cute because it wasn't just the regular Avengers or the other mold kits that they've had before. This one has Spider-Man and everything else, so we're going to open it up. Hadn't done that yet. So it's really cute. Look at, there's 6 molds. We have Captain America's star, and then Black Panther, and Spider-Man, Iron Man. And of course, that's the Hulk smash, although I think you could use it probably for, you know, Thanos's gauntlet, make it purple, pretty fun. And of course we have the lightning bolt for Thor. So it kind of like assembling all of the characters. Really cute. And you get 2 molds in each package, and they're 6 each, so that makes 12 altogether. So that would take a 6-ounce package of Jell-O for jigglers, or 2 different 3s. Really fun. So in the mold kit, it comes with the 2 Jell-Os. You get the 2 3-ounces, so you could use that, or obviously break out any of these fun packaged Jell-Os that we find here. And like I said, they said all 6, so I'm pretty sure that grape is Black Widow. And there's the molds. So cute. Have a lot of fun with it. Keep your eye out. I'm going to make another video probably after I made these, show you how cute they were. So keep your eye out for these. I found them at Walmart. Hopefully you have good luck.